Are you a freelancer looking for online work opportunities? With so many online marketplaces out there, it can be overwhelming and confusing to choose the ones you start with or you stick with. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to review the top online marketplaces for freelancers and also guide you on the way you can actually choose the one that is best for you. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and today we are going to look at top freelance marketplaces. And if this is your first time coming to this channel, you're super welcome, and I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and smash that button to the icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. First on our list is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest online marketplaces for freelancers out there with over 18 million registered freelancers. And Upwork has a diverse job categories ranging from web development, writing, CV writing, web design, graphic design, so many things. Upwork has an easy to use interface that makes it simple to find and apply for jobs that match your skills. One of the best features of Upwork is the ability to set your own hourly rates, ensuring that you are paid what you are worth. Next on our list is Fiverr. Of course, Fiverr is one of the most popular online marketplaces for freelancers out there. Fiverr is a well-known marketplace for freelancers who offer services beginning from $5. Actually, it's not as if you're going to start with $5, but just that they give you that opportunity, or they give their customers that opportunity to get a gig or a job done for $5. But you could actually start from $50, $100. Personally, I have gigs that I started with $50, $100, and maybe $120 or $150. So it's not as if you're going to start from $5. So let that not discourage you from starting on Fiverr. Fiverr is an excellent place actually to begin your freelance journey, especially if you are just kicking off or starting out. And it helps you to gain experience and build your portfolio before you move on to more premium or higher freelance marketplaces. Okay? Graphic design, social media marketing, and video editing are just a few of the job categories on Fiverr. Remember that Fiverr takes 20% commission from all your earnings, so you have to consider that while pricing your gigs or pricing the services that you render on the platform. Next is Freelancer.com. Freelancer is ranked third on our list, and it has over 50 million registered freelancers. Freelancer.com is another large online marketplace for freelancers. Accounting, legal jobs, web development, graphic design, video editing, so many things, photo editing are available on Freelancer.com. One of the freelancers' distinguishing features is the contest feature, which allows clients to hold a contest for a specific project and freelancers bid and submit their work for a chance to win the project. This can be an excellent way to stand out or to distinguish yourself from the competition and actually get as much jobs as possible. Grow.com is a smaller online freelance marketplace, but it's still a good place to look for work. Grow.com has a wide range of job categories, including software development, writing, translation, transcription, and so many other jobs. One of Grow.com's best features is the self-pay payment protection system, which ensures that freelancers are paid for their work. Unlike some other platforms that they may have to seize your money for some time and allow you to wait for 180 days to get your money and all that. Grow.com makes sure that they have their freelancers' best interest at heart. So there you have it, our review of the best freelance marketplaces. Whether you are just starting out or you are a seasoned freelancer, these platforms can help you find work and grow your business. All you just have to do is do your due diligence or do your research and know the one that works best for you. And in my own opinion, I would advise you this way. If you're starting out, if you're a newbie and you're just starting out in the world of freelancing, all you just have to do is start with Fiverr, get the experience, build your portfolio, and as things go well with you, then move into Upwork, because Upwork gives you more premium clients, pay you more, and all that. From Upwork, you can now specialize on guru.com, have your niche there, and make as much money as possible. But if you're already a seasoned freelancer, you could try out Upwork.com and guru.com. Two of them are actually very great for seasoned freelancers. So I hope this video, you were able to get enough value from it. And if that's so, then go on to like this video, subscribe, share, and smash that button so that whenever I drop good content like this on how to make money online or on information surrounding making money online, you won't get to miss out. And most importantly, if you have any questions, any recommendations, any insights, or any idea that you want us to talk more on, then do well to put in the comment box below, and I'm going to attend to each and every of the comments. And if I'm able to get one question or one idea or one information coming back repeatedly, then I'll have to do a more detailed video on it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.